hollow heart of the quiet house, where the shadows stretch and sprawl, a silver sound begins to stir behind the parlor wall. It isn't the scuttle of nesting mice, nor the settling of the pine. It's the rhythmic beat of a phantom heart stitching a crooked line. The wheel spins round on a rusted axle, though no hand guides the rim. The needle dives through the midnight air while the hallway lamps grow dim. Grandma's chair is a velvet void, her spectacles long since cold, yet the bobbin hums a dusty tune of secrets never told. She's sewing the fog to the windowsill, hemming the edges of sleep with a thread as thin as a spider's silk, and a promise she meant to keep. The fabric is made of memory, a scrap of a summer dress, a bit of a Sunday tablecloth, and a touch of a soft caress. The pedals pump in a steady dance, a ghost in the treadle sway, working fast in the witching hour before it's chased by day. No cloth remains on the wooden deck, no spool of cotton is found, just the echo of a life well lived in that sharp metallic sound. When the clock strikes one, the rhythm breaks, the needle finds its rest. She finished the shroud for a heavy heart and folded it in her chest.